In the previous video I showed how you do that using command prompt or terminal. In this video I'm going to show you how to use it using the user interface. Advanced option, and then go to troubleshooting, again advanced option, and then go to command prompt. In the command prompt type notepad. It opens the notepad user interface here. So now you can go to the file and open this PC. You see here all the partitions or the volumes. I connected also my external SSD drive. And hopefully it shows up immediately. Not immediately. Cancel, open again this PC. Now you see shared data is my external SSD drive. As you see here I have some stuff, and I want to copy some important files, for example from my D drive inside of my external drive. You can copy any important data, so you can copy any folder. For example, I want to copy something from this. For example, I want to copy this tests folder. Copy, go back, and then go to the shared drive, and then new folder, and here I can paste. It does not show up immediately, but after some while, if it takes very long, you see processing icon here instead of cursor pointer. If you go back and come here, you see that the folder is here. So hackers also can come here and copy files to external drives. So yeah, now you can copy any file, any folder from any drive with full access to any drive or partition that you want. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. Hope it was helpful. See you hopefully in the next video. Bye bye.